Motala Hisar Lifts Repair, Servicing and Maintenance. Motala Hisar Lifts is a Swedish company that develops, manufactures and delivers low-speed lifts to improve accessibility for people with impaired mobility. They employ unique technology to deliver solutions with benefits, quality and performance far beyond competing technologies. The company was established in 1972 by Rolf and Gunnar Sundström. 10 years later its first lift for disabled people was delivered, after which Motala began to focus solely on this special market segment. The leading concept of Motala is largest inside, smallest outside. The Motala product range consists of two products. The Motala 2000 platform lift is ideal for low-rise public buildings to provide accessibility for all visitors and employees in the building. The Motala 6000 lift for limited spaces is the most compact solution on the market. This is a product according to the Lifts Directive that is best suited for existing residential multi-family buildings. The key to its reliability: the guided chain. At the heart of the Motala 2000 is the patented guided chain drive system. It's safe. As the chain is confined to a track along its whole length, it can never derail. Even if the chain should break, the drive system will still bring the platform to a totally safe position. Actually, to date, a guided chain has never broken. It's doubly safe. In normal operation, the guided chain pulls the car, but in the unlikely event of the chain breaking, the car will be parked standing on the chain, and thus in a completely safe position. It's reliable, due to the robust construction of the guided chain, which will last for at least 25 years with the minimum of maintenance. It's economical in use, thanks to its low power consumption, low fuse requirements, and low maintenance needs. It's environment friendly. During installation the gearing mechanism is lifetime greased. This means no messy oil leaks, no need to change the oil, and therefore no waste oil to dispose of. Our service response time. If something is wrong with your Motala Hisar platform and accessibility lift, you can always contact us for service support. Our cross-Europe network and in-house team of engineers and technicians have many years of experience. Our knowledge and experience mean a lot to our customers. We understand the importance of keeping your lifts in service, especially those providing accessibility. We pride ourselves on our response times. We answer your calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We will assist you in the event of an unexpected lift failure with initial phone consultation, directly with a trained technician, and always aim to follow through with a same-day visit to fix the problem and have your lift back in service in the quickest possible time. Service agreement. When you buy a lift from any manufacturer, we always advise to get a service agreement with an experienced and professional service company. We offer several simple-to-understand client-focused agreements with different service levels to meet all types of needs. Common to all service contracts is that they guarantee reliability and extend the lifetime of your lift. Servicing your elevator regularly is integral to long equipment lifetime and trouble-free operation. Are you interested in a service agreement? Contact us and we'll tell you more. Spare parts. As we specialize in platform lift servicing across many global lift brands including Motala Hisar. Our well-established network provides immediate access to all Motala Hisar platform and accessibility lift spare parts, keeping response times fast, and resulting lift downtimes low.